The shift lowers the cortisol and boosts the dopamine, the happy hormones, and serotonin, shifting the nervous system back into a parasympathetic state, the rest and digest, allowing you to flow the state between alpha and beta and execute at the prefrontal cortex. And gratitude condenses our distress. Like how the rain condenses this cloud, turning into a powerful rain that fuels growth. Gratefulness condenses these negative challenges into a powerful rain of learning that nurtures life. How many of you experience something then later on you realize, oh, that's why it happened to me? You learned, you grow. The pain or trouble set you free. Like if you're lifting weights, you love the pain of building muscles, right? You learn, you grow. Mental and emotional resilience necessary for sustainable success and fulfillment.